What's up mga katropa? So for today's video, pumunta nga tayo sa McDonald's x Minecraft activity centers dito sa Glorieta. So ito is event ni McDonald's, which is you have a chance to win a lot of prizes. So yun guys, para tayo dito makasali is first is you need to purchase the newest adult Happy Meal, which costs 299 pesos. It includes nuggets, fries, drink, and also the golden apple sundae. And also kung gusto mo naman yung isa is yung cheeseburger, pero dito once mag-avail ka ng adult Happy Meal, naka-default na siya na nuggets. So ayan siya guys. Birthday mo
kapag doon na sila sa
i-click hoodie yari tiki. Dami apat na.
Alright, ito munang first 2 movie tickets. Here. Okay. Another one.
Isa pa. Hoodie please. Hoodie. Kulay green yan eh. Malapit na susunod na siya.
Alright, 1 movie tickets. Then last one.
Ako naman. Ikaw na. Hoodie please. Hoodie! Yo! Dalimito pa siya.
Wait lang.
Clarify lang po. For the tickets po, you can use it any Ayala movie, any Ayala cinema.
So yun nga guys, no, yung nakita nyo kanina is yun yung mga paraffle nila, which is kapag natas mo itong mga activities na to na pinapakita ko sa inyo sa screen, may chance kang manalo ng mga yon. So eto siya guys, yung una is yung complete set ng blind box or ng adult Happy Meal nila. Next is yung kanilang hoodie, and then yung last is yung kanilang crew neck shirt and also the movie ticket. And luckily, we got the hoodie guys times 3. Not just 1, not just 2, but 3. So yun, binigay ko yung isa sa akin. Syempre, isa sa pamangkin ko and isa sa ate ko. So yun guys, also just a story time. Etong ticket na to guys is a black screening ni McDo, and binigay sa amin to ng admin ng McDo guys. Bigla kaming nilapitan and sabi hindi raw kasi siya makakapanood, so binigay niya lang sa amin. So ayan, we had a chance to watch the Minecraft movie, and guys, ang plot twist pa dito is black screening to mismo ni McDo and ni Warner Bros guys. So sobrang unexpected to kasi nanalo na nga kami ng cinema ticket. Also binigyan pa kami ng additional black screening ticket. So ayun siya guys, pumila kami. Mostly ang kasama namin dito guys is yung mga vloggers, may mga artista din. So ayun guys, and ang kinagandahan pa dito, meron pa silang pa-food guys. May libreng food bago pumasok, which is binigay nila yung food nila sa adult Happy Meal. So yun guys, meron din picture taking doon sa activity center kanina. So yan po yung food na binigay sa atin, and also may popcorn yan and may tubig. So yan guys, tignan mo muna.
Out the McNuggets with the leather sauce. On top of that, we also have the golden apple.
So yun nga no guys, sabi ko sa inyo, we got a chance na makapanood ng black screening ni McDo x Warner Bros. So yun guys, yan yung mga binigay sa amin, and super enjoying. And may palaro sila guys, which is etong nakita nyo na to, na nanalo ako ng Creeper plushie, and also meron din kami na palaro na B. So eto guys is libre lang. So eto is nakalagay sa upuan ng theater. So sobrang lupet kasi nagmadali talaga ako maghanap ng sa upuan, and saktong-sakto yung inupuan namin is meron yan. So yun guys, overall guys, just to give you a quick review on the Minecraft na movie, it's so good guys. If I will rate it, I will give it a 10 out of 10 because adventurous yung movie, and also it emphasizes friendship, guys. Yung bond nila as a movie character. So yun, it's a very good movie, guys. So I suggest it's not hindi lang to pang bata, kundi also pang matanda rin. And even lalo na kung fan ka ng Minecraft, there's a lot of characters na mapapakita dito, and super enjoying siya and nakakatawa as well. So yun lang, guys. Ayan yung napalalo na naming creeper plushie. So ito, yan yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, na nasa under siya ng movie theater. So ay ng upuan, and ayan naman yung B, guys. So sobrang ganda nito experience, and also thanks to the admin ng McDo na nagbigay sa amin nung black screening, na kahit hindi kami vlogger, kahit hindi kami sikat na vlogger and artista, pero they still give us, and they give us a chance to win those amazing prizes. So yun lang, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and salamat.